What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ow. Your stem. What do you? What do you? What do you do? Sit in my. Where's your skits? What do you do?
I thought, I was sure I was going to be able to get through this one without crying like a baby, but I didn't. This little short clip with Angela's just a baby. The bird bites her nose. Now, little kids aren't trained or taught or certainly how to react to things at this age. They're still understanding things, and any reaction they have is a natural from the heart and soul reaction. This is who Angelina is, and it's so beautiful. Instead of being angry with the bird, throwing the bird away, pushing the bird away, crying, carrying on, which might be some little kids' reactions. Just pure love. Rubs the bird's head, looking at it. Probably didn't seem upset at all. Just more looking, and I don't know what she was thinking about at that age, but then she kisses the little bird. Oh, my phone's beeping. Let me shut it off. Stupid thing. Interrupting a much more important thing. So there's Angelina. That couldn't have been scripted or choreographed in any way. That's her. That's authentic, genuine, heart and soul Angelina. So I always wonder how she touches my soul. And I saw this little clip. I've done this clip before a couple of times, actually. And every time, sometimes at work during the day, it goes through my mind that there actually is at least one person in this world who is a walking embodiment, I think, of love. Natural. It's her. It's not rehearsed. Nobody taught her this, I don't believe. Family provides guidance, of course, but, if you have any meanness or hatred or anything like that, any darkness in your soul, and that bird bites you, yeah, I think that'd be the moment it might come out. I think Angelina said, I think she even said like ouch or something there at that moment. And, it's a little bird. I'm sure it didn't hurt a lot, but still it's almost like a betrayal. This is my little bird, and my bird bit me. It's not funny, but, really in a sense, you take care of the bird, you love the bird, then the bird bites you, right? And, for a lot of adults like me, you analyze that and you think about, that's, I go out of my way to take care of that bird. I feed it, I take care of it, I get it a place to live. I talk to it, I pet it, and then it turns around and bites me. Ain't that just the way it is, Not Angelina, not at that age. She has no concept of all that, what I just said, really. It's just pure. It's pure, innocent, spur of the moment reaction to a situation that just comes right from the heart and the soul. That's the only place it can come from. Hey, I could talk forever about this just because it's so touching and moving to me that to see that at that moment. And, I don't know. It's remarkable, really, I think. Now, many of you may have kids around that age and they would behave the same way or close to that. And that's fine. They have that in there. So they actually should have, all little kids should have that in them. But I've been around little kids too throughout my life. And, some do and some don't, right? Just to whatever degree. And, it's, you can see that's the moment when you really get to tell what's inside of a little person like that. Because they can't really articulate what they're thinking or feeling that well. So it's the actions and the deeds that tell the story. Well, I'll quit rambling on. Hope you guys like this one. I just couldn't resist putting it back up. We are doing a nostalgia trip, so this is nostalgia. I'm really happy that I did it because it gives me hope for humanity, to be honest with you. It really does. There is hope. Have a nice night, guys. Thanks for listening.